The slide shows the graph of Appendix A, which is undirected. Every edge has no errors and has cycle vertex. Let's look at agency list for Appendix A. The size of the graph is 20, so we have 20 lines in our agency list. Example of how to get agency list. List 1. You have to look for 1 in Appendix A's graph. Look at where the lines from 1 pointed to. Then list the number, which is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Continue for the rest of the list.
The BFS method explores the whole graph level from each node by level using a queue method. The list node starts from node 1, the process of visiting all immediate neighbors nodes before moving to the deeper nodes. All nodes added to the queue are marked visited. In the FS method, it's explored as deep as possible into the nodes then backtrack. The implementation using recursive function. Once the node is visited, the function calls itself on the uninvited nodes.
Let's see the slide show the graph of Appendix B. Every edge has no arrows and has cycle vertex. Let's look at adjacency list for Appendix B. The size of the graph is 30, so we have 30 lines in our adjacency list. Example of how to get adjacency list. List 1. You have to look for 1 in Appendix B graph. Look at where the lines from 1 point, then list the number, which is 2 and 3. Continue for the rest of the list. Let's look at breadth first search. Using a queuing approach, the BFS technique investigates the entire graph level from node to level. Beginning at node 1, the node visits each of their nearest before proceeding to the deeper nodes. Every node that is added to the queue has a visited level. For depth first search, the DFS approach investigates the nodes as truly as feasible before reversing. Recursive functions are used in the implementation. The function calls itself on the unvisited nodes once the node has been visited. The process of queuing starts from the node 1, similar to the previous appendix. The usage of a queue to explore next node in patterns which going by level. Once all nodes are visited once and added to the queue immediately. Let's look at breadth first search, Appendix C. In Appendix C, the process of queuing starts from the node 1, similar to the previous appendix. The usage of a queue to explore next node in patterns which going by level. Once all nodes are visited once and added to the queue immediately. For depth first search, Appendix C, as for DFT recursion in Appendix C, the process explore as deeply as possible from each node using recursion. Once the nodes that need to be visited is done, the process backtrack after exploring all connect neighbors nodes.